Hello everyone, this is Berlin Biker back again with a new episode. I'm still in Durango, Colorado, and there is a motorcycle cafe that I've driven by probably 100 times since I've been back. Unfortunately, every time I've tried to stop, they've been closed. Well, motorcycles out front and the open sign's on, so let's go take a look at what this is. Hello. Motorcycle. That's 6 Days of France, KTM again. And a Husky. They got all the fun things? Yeah. I want that bike. These guys definitely just ride these. I don't know if they're there for sale or anything. What about bars and all that? It's definitely not going to be open. Oh no, it's definitely open. It definitely has way more motorcycle stuff going. How much?
What's the video for?
He's got a YouTube
I
channel.
have a YouTube channel.
Oh, sweet.
Motorcycle one. Yeah.
Where are you guys from?
Grew up here my entire life, but moved away. Now I live in Germany.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Far away.
It's a bit. As soon as I left here, I moved to New York City and then just moved farther away. But it's always.
We're building these types of trailers now from scratch. True off-road, so
Oh wow.
no actual axles on them. It's independent suspension, all elastomers. It's pretty neat.
That's badass.
Yeah, so we're doing two styles. We're doing teardrops. Well, we're doing three styles really. Teardrops, utility style, and then like a flatbed boat hauler, toy hauler kind of thing.
Oh, so badass.
Those are the styles we're doing.
I love the tent on top. So just big enough in here to throw gear in, or like you actually lay.
This is camping, so you
Okay.
crawl in there, and it's a full bed, queen size in there. The idea is badass kitchen.
Okay.
So
Hey guys, so quick little tour of the Moto Cafe. A little side note. It's definitely not a cafe. They don't have coffee. But they do a bunch of suspension work, and they build custom trailers that match your truck for off-road adventures. But pretty cool place, nice owner. So if you're in Durango, come check it out. All right guys, Berlin Biker out.